Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, I want to ask the question, why is my business not making enough money? Get that question many times. And usually, when new clients come on board, that's the number one question that they raise is like, I'm not making enough money. And in the early stages of business, there can be a variety of reasons. Businesses need working capital, particularly if it's a new product or service, or it's more labor intensive. They need equipment, or overhead. It's just grown too fast, and now there's not enough cash to cover the overhead. So, a variety of reasons why businesses are not making enough money. What I've seen, the number one reason why businesses do not make enough money is the lack of focus on cash. Many times, businesses do not understand revenue and cash are not the same. So, revenue is the selling of your product or service. And just because you make a sale doesn't mean you're going to get that cash at that particular moment. So, for instance, if you invoice your client, that doesn't mean that that cash is going to be in the bank the next day. So, what happens, many business owners, they look at their sales, like, aka revenue, and say, wow, revenue is great, revenue is great, is growing. However, there is a difference between revenue and cash. So just because you're bringing in that revenue doesn't mean it's that cash. So you want to understand, number one, the timing of when cash is coming in, and number two, where is the cash going? A lot of times we're so focused on that revenue and not understanding we're actually probably spending more money on that product and service than we're realizing. So you're not able to make a gross profit where you can actually have some additional cash in your bank account. So you want to focus on cash. So I want to give you a weekly exercise. This exercise will allow you to focus on every aspect of the business. So, this exercise is number one, looking at your bank account once a week. And when I say look at your bank account, I mean not only look at the bank balance, but just looking through the transactions, seeing what's going on. Number two, predicting how much cash is going to come in and how much cash is going to go out. Once again, how much cash is going to come in and how much cash is going out. This is a good exercise for you to be proactive, to start understanding, okay, am I truly making money? Number one. Number two, where is my money going? So this will give you that focus to keep increasing your cash, your sales, but then also too, how can you provide great customer service, a great product to your customers while keeping that overhead a minimal. So once again, do those two exercise, do those two steps. Those It's a small exercise. It shouldn't take you no longer than 15 minutes. So once again, no longer than 15 minutes. Do that exercise and remember, focus on cash. If you want your business to make money, to make a gross profit, to have a healthy cash balance, you have to take time to focus on cash. So once again, make sure you do that exercise. Also share with a fellow entrepreneur or business owner who needs to hear this. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and we'll see you next.